बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to write beautiful Allah names in a new and unique way by using blue marker, black marker and a pencil, and also by using compass. So first of all, I have taken compass and draw two circles, and after that in the little circle I have written Allah name that you can watch on your screen. And after that I have taken blue marker and start filling in the upper portion in this way. And here I am using blue marker for my this calligraphy. You can also use any other marker instead of blue marker. And here first of all we will fill the upper portion of the Allah name, and after that we will draw these type of things here to give that look that paint is falling down. So for doing this type of things, follow me and do all the things in that way in which I am doing. And after that, by using same marker, I am writing Ar-Rahman in the bigger circle. And after writing Ar-Rahman, now we are moving ahead and write Ar-Rahim here. And after that, now we are writing Al-Malik. And now we are writing Al-Quddus. And here, now I am writing As-Salam. And now I am writing here Al-Mu'min in this way. And after that, now I am writing here Al-Muhaymin. And after writing Al-Muhaymin, I will write Al-Aziz and Al-Jabbar. And the last word is Al-Mutakabbir. And after that, we will use compass again by putting a black marker in it and draw these type of circles on that circles to give them outline. And after that, we will use the same marker for drawing these type of things on Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim and etc. But first of all, we will erase all the pencil, and here we are using the black marker for drawing these type of things. After drawing these type of things, our calligraphy become completed. And if you don't have subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you have any question, then tell me in comment. I will give you the answer of your question. And here is the final look of our calligraphy. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.